168 also I have done. Now I'm doing 167, then 165 and 166. 167 we have done. I think we have done, na? 167.
Yes, sir. 167 is done.
Okay. Then first 165 and then 166 because they are in continuation. Important sums. A metal sphere cools from 64 degree. A metal sphere हेलो, हाँ कुछ आया क्या? नहीं ना, आपने शायद टाटा केमिकल रखा था। ओ नहीं, नहीं पता नहीं आपने रखा था, आया क्या वो भी? माय गुडनेस, ओके ओके। ठीक है पीयूष, अपना HDFC लाइफ 10 आ सकता है क्या? ठीक है, बाकी का फिर मंडे देखेंगे, ले लो। ठीक, हाँ रख दो ऊपर 2-2 रुपए ऊपर करके रख दो। हाँ चलेगा। कितना है अभी? वो 21 पे रख दो पीयूष, 21। हाँ, और कौन सा है ये ग्रेनुअल? हाँ वो 1340 रखो, 1340। हाँ वो 3.5 में रख दो। ठीक ठीक है, वो मंडे देखते हैं। अभी है कि नीचे आ गया, लेकिन तो अभी एक रखते हैं 1000 में ट्राई कर देखते हैं। हाँ कर दो, ठीक है ठीक है। यश है जब इसका पावर बैंक एक चीज है, कुछ है क्या पावर बैंक? यश को मालूम होगा, तो वो लाएंगे तो अच्छा है क्या? मुझे देखने नहीं मिल रहा है। हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
see, a metal sphere cools from 64 to 50 degrees in 10 minutes and to 42 in next 10 minutes. Find the ratio of fall of temperature in two intervals. Cools from 160 degree, sorry, cools from 64 degree to 50 degree in 10 minutes and 50 to 48 in the next 10 minutes. Find the rate of cooling for this. Find the rate of ratio of fall of temperature in the two interval. So ratio of fall of temperature means d theta by dt in first case upon d theta by dt in second case. By Newton's law of cooling, this is difference in temperature upon time divided by 50 minus 42 upon time. So this will become 14, 10, 10 will get cancelled. 14 upon 8 equals to 7 by 4. So ratio is 7 by 4. That is B option. All sums are important for your exam as well as for entrance. So that's why I started reverse. Copy. Okay, done. Hello.
Yes, student.
In the above, find what is temperature of surrounding. So we got d theta by dt of 1, which we can also write c into theta 1 plus theta 2 upon 2 minus theta 0, and d theta by dt of second is c into theta 2 plus theta 3 upon 2 minus surrounding. Any doubt in formula first?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now when you divide, you have already got this ratio as 7 by 4 because it is in continuation. So don't waste your time. So directly I can say this is d theta by dt of first upon d theta by dt of second is equals to, C will get cancelled. First temperature is 64, second is 50, divide by 2 minus theta 0 we have to calculate. Then it is 50, temperature is 40 further. Last temperature is what? Hello, what is last temperature?
42, sir.
42. Divide by 2 minus theta 0. This ratio we got 7 by 4. What is 64 plus 50? Is it 114? Hello?
Yes.
114 upon 2 is what? 57?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 50 plus 42 is 92. 92 divided by 2 will become 46 minus theta 0. Now 7 into 46 minus theta 0 is 4 into 57 minus theta 0. 7 into 6, 42. 7 4s are 28 and 4 is 28 and 4 is 32. 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 28 and 4 32. Minus 7 times theta 0. 4 into 7 is 28, carry 2. 4 5s are 20, so 22. Minus 4 times theta 0. That will become 7 theta 0 minus 4 times theta 0 is equals to 322 minus 228. So 3 times theta 0, 12 minus 8, 4. 11 minus 2 is 9. So theta 0 is 94 upon 3. That means it is approximately 31. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And they have written answer is about what? This is about 31. So A is the answer. One sum you can expect in your exam from this last 5 questions. That is 165, 167, 168, 9 is missing.
Unfortunately, capacity utilization 5 से 10%.
Once you complete, tell so that we can move fast. 164. A hot liquid is kept in big room. Logarithm of numerical value of temperature. Difference between liquid and the room is plotted against time. Then plot will look like what? Anmol, can you read it bit louder? What is the question? Read it so that I can explain properly. Yes, Anmol, read it.
Yes, just a second.
Huh?
A hot liquid is kept in a big room. The logarithm of the numerical value of the temperature difference between the liquid and the room is plotted against time. Then the plot will be.
Okay, stop now. We want graph of log of temperature difference versus time. That plot will look like what? That is what they are saying. Now I think question you followed. Time versus log wala graph chahiye. Any relation between theta minus theta 0 and something by Newton's law of cooling? Hello? By Newton's law of cooling, any relation between theta minus theta 0 and something? So you should know now. This is relation na? D theta by dt is C into theta minus theta 0 by Newton's law of cooling. Okay, now. So d theta upon theta minus theta 0 is C into dt because time I have to separate. Any doubt in this statement, in this equation? Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, I want to separate time from dt. So I should take integration. Is C integration dt? Because unless until I get log and time, I can't plot it. Huh? What is derivative integration of dx upon x? Anybody knows from mathematical tool? It is log x. Okay.
Yes.
So can I say this is nothing but log of theta minus theta 0 is ct plus some constant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this quantity you have to take along y-axis and time along x-axis. So what will be the nature of this? Will it be a straight line? Y is mx plus c dash. Will it be a straight line? Yes, Arshita. Y equal to mx plus c. Is it straight line?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So my graph will be straight line. Straight line. Option is given anywhere straight line. Okay. So that is option. It is a straight line. Done, sir. Okay. Sum number 163. The radiation emitted by star A. Radiation emitted, I am writing small r, by star A is 10,000, means 10 raised to 4 times that of sun, RS. Star A, sun I am writing S. If the surface temperature of sun and star A are 6,000 Kelvin and 2,000 Kelvin respectively, then ratio of radii of star A and that of sun will be how much? See, rate of radiation is nothing but dq by dt. So by Stephen's law, dq by dt is A E sigma T raised to 4. Surrounding is not given, no need to write minus T0 raised to 4. So this is like radius R is equals to 4 pi capital R square E sigma T raised to 4. So R of A upon R of B is capital R A upon capital R B square. E is 1 for both. Sigma cancel. T of A upon T of B raised to 4. Now our B is sun and A is star A. So I can say 10 raised to 4 times radiation of B upon RB, RA upon RS. B means RS. Into temperature of A 2000 and that of sun 6000 whole raised to 4. This will get cancelled, either raised to power 4. So 10 raised to 4 equals to RA upon RS into 2 by 6 raised to 4. 2 3s are 6. So taking square root on both sides, we get this will become 10 raised to 2. This is RA upon RS raised to 1. And this is 1 by 3 raised to 2. I have taken square root. 4 becomes 2. 2 becomes 1. So can we say 10 raised to 2 equals to RA upon RB into 9. So 900 is equals to RA upon RB. Check, we have this option. 900 is to 1. Yes, C. 1 minute of first, have you followed concept what we did?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then do. Very simple. Whenever temperature is very high, then Stephen's law, if it is in degrees Celsius like 40, 50, then Coulomb's law. Sorry, no, Newton's law of cooling.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one. 162. Following solid objects made up of same material. Same material means their density is same. Same surface finish, that means their coefficient of emissivity E is same. Are maintained at temperature of 300 Kelvin, whose temperature is 350. That means except the shape, rest all are same. If you read carefully. One is solid sphere of radius r, other is solid hemisphere of radius r, cube of h r, cone of r, and height 2r. Means everything is same except the shape, which exchanges radiation with surrounding with minimum rate. To exchange the heat with the surrounding, we know the formula: rate of heat lost by a body by Stephen's law. By Stephen's law, dq by dt, which is heat lost to the surrounding, is A sigma T raised to 4 minus T0 raised to 4. Except area, rest all are same or not?
Yes, sir.
So the object whose surface area, is minimum will exchange minimum. I hope you followed this meaning.
Yes, sir.
So one by one we'll go. What is the first body?
Sir, a solid sphere.
Solid sphere of radius r.
Yes, sir.
So what is formula for surface area of solid sphere? 4 pi r square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next वाला बोला है solid hemisphere. Hemisphere means half. So it will be 3 pi r square. Solid hemisphere क्योंकि solid है ना, तो ये कट करेंगे तो ये भी एरिया आएगा. और ये ऊपर का एरिया, this is pi r square. ये पूरे का half 2 pi r square. So can I say 3 pi r square? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 4 pi r square, 3 pi r square. Then cube. What is surface area of cube? Is it 6r square? 6 into side square means 6r square.
Yes, sir.
And last
Sir, it
is,
L square.
pardon?
It will be 6LL.
अरे बेटा L के कोई R बोला है ना वो लोग ने.
Yes, sir.
This is cone whose height is h, radius r, such that h is 2r. So cone surface area is pi r into r plus h, which is pi r plus 2r. That is pi r into 3r equals to 3 pi r square. Now you only tell me which will be minimum out of this 4. I have written all the formula. Who is minimum? 6r square is minimum, no? Pi, if you take 3, it will become 12. 3 3s are 9. So this is minimum or not?
Yes, sir.
So that means option C. This will give minimum exchange of heat with the surrounding.
Done, sir.
Next sum 161. 161. A perfectly black body emits radiation at T1 Kelvin if it is to radiate 16 times the power. Both bracket. When temperature is T1, let rate of radiation means nothing but power. Energy upon time is called power. Rate of radiation comma power equals to P1. Hello? Hello? Yes? अबे बंद करो ना, क्यों पकाते रहते दिमाग। Rate of radiation power is P1. What will be temperature when power is 16 times original? Now we know rate of radiation dq by dt is A sigma T raised to 4. That means power is A sigma T raised to 4. First power upon second power equals to T1 upon T2 raised to 4. रेनॉल्ड्स ना, उसको फिर से 12 में रखते हैं, नहीं तो 11 ये मैं थोड़ा नीचे रखूं क्या? अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, हाँ चलेगा, ठीक है। So first power upon second power is 16 times P1 is T1 upon T2 raised to 4. What is fourth root of this 16? Is it 2?
Yes, sir.
So new temperature is double of original. हो गया। टाटा पावर का 115 का कितना? X 115 का 115 430 में रखो ना फिर। ठीक, yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Next one is very intelligent question, 160. A sphere of density rho. A sphere of density rho and specific heat capacity C, radius R, is hung to thermally insulated thread in an enclosure which is kept at lower temperature from the sphere than the sphere. The temperature of the sphere starts to drop at the rate, temperature drops means falls, at the rate which depends upon temperature difference between the sphere and enclosure and the nature of the surface of the sphere and what extra, that means and also proportional to what. So whenever this is specific heat capacity C given and this is temperature difference given, so specific heat capacity we get in which formula? Specific heat capacity, total heat formula is mass into specific heat into temperature, correct?
Yes, sir.
So when there is loss in heat, mass will not be lost, C will not be lost, theta will change, na? D theta by dt. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this is K times theta minus theta 0. We have proved in Newton's law of cooling, if you remember. Mass is density into volume into specific heat into d theta by dt. So K into theta minus theta 0 is density. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube into C into d theta by dt. So d theta by dt equals to K times theta minus theta 0 upon rho 4 by 3 pi r cube into C. So you can clearly see it is proportional to theta minus theta 0 they have already given. What extra we are getting? 1 upon rho r cube C. Clear? No?
Yes, sir.
Bit difficult one. If you have done once, then it will click from in your mind. So 1 upon r cube rho C, option B. बड़ा वाला कौन सा दिया? ये आया वही है?
हाँ ये आया और अंदर एक है
नहीं, नीचे वाला फ्लोरिंग का 2 बाई 2 वाला
नीचे है लाने का
अच्छा। क्योंकि वो एक रख के गया है।
दो बॉक्स है अभी ना।
You are completed? Completed? 168?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 159. A body cools at the rate of 3 degrees Celsius per minute when its temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of the surrounding is 25 degrees Celsius, then the rate of cooling is how much? If the body is at 40 degrees Celsius. So first rate of cooling d theta by dt, first one, when its temperature is 50, surrounding is 25. What is rate of cooling? That is d theta by dt of second when temperature of the body is 40. By Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is c into theta minus theta 0. So if it is interval not given, then theta will remain theta, otherwise it will become average. So therefore d theta by dt, first one upon second, c gets cancelled, theta 1 minus theta 0 divided by theta 2 minus theta 0. So 3 upon new rate of cooling equals to 50 minus 25, 40 minus 25. 3 upon new rate of cooling will be 50 minus 25 is 25 upon 40 minus 25 is 15. 5 3s are 5 into 5. So d theta by dt in second case will be 9 upon 5. 5 into 18 5 is 90. 5 into 1 6. 5 into 1 4 remains. 1.8 degrees Celsius per minute. Okay. Hello. Hello. When to use average and when to write only theta? If interval given, then we take average. If direct temperature given, then no need to take average.
Yes.
So 1.8 degrees Celsius per minute. Check. Solve this. Completed?
Yes.
Okay, come to the next one. Two balls A and B are made up of same material but different diameter, but diameter of B is twice that of A. Both are heated to same temperature and then placed in same surrounding. Rate of loss of heat of A take as RA and that of B take as RB. Which of the following is correctly describing loss of heat? सब कुछ same except the diameter. Some number 158. See, when, remember this every time, when two bodies are made up of same material, kept in same surrounding, and maintained at same temperature, then ratio of loss of heat is ratio of square of their radii. That means dq by dt of first upon second is nothing but radius of first one upon radius of second square. So this you remember for any MCQs, everything is same, then loss of heat is square of radius का ratio. So in our case, diameter of, किसका diameter बोला है, half double ऐसा कुछ बोला है? Yes, here who is half or who is double? Hello? In this sum, A and B are same material, diameter of B is double of A.
Yes, sir.
So second one is double of first one. Diameter double मतलब radius भी double होता है. So can I take this ratio as 1/4 then?
Yes, sir.
देखो समझा तो ही बोलना, नहीं तो फिर वापस एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ सर समझा.
ठीक है देख लो 1/4.
Done, sir.
Okay, coming to the next one. A star behaves like perfectly black body. A star behaves like perfectly black body emitting radiant energy. The ratio of radiant energy emitted per second by this star to that of another one. So rate of radiation of first to that of second is how much? If radius is 8 times the radius of former, if radius of this one is 8 times the radius of Purana one, and Kelvin temperature is 1/4 that of former. See, our new one is 1 and old one is 2. So ratio of new to old we want if new one ka radius is 8 times the old one and temperature is also 1/4. So rate of radiation, that means dq by dt actually, is 4 pi radius square sigma t raised to 4. I'm calling this as R. So R1 upon R2 is capital R1 upon capital R2 square, T1 upon T2 raised to 4. 8 times R2 square. This is T1 1/4 times T2 upon R1 is 8 times R2. R1 is 8 times R2 upon R2. This is 1/4 of T2 upon T2 raised to 4. So T2 I can cancel. This R2 I can cancel. 8 raised to 2 is 64 and 4 raised to 4 is 256. So it will be 1/4 in ratio. Okay, followed I think. Hello? Okay. Simple.
Done, sir.
156. A body having surface area of 50 centimeters square radiates 300 joule of heat per minute. That means time is 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. At temperature of 727 degrees Celsius, that means 727 plus 273 equals to 1000 Kelvin. The emissivity of the body is how much? That is E is how much? If sigma is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square, Kelvin raised to 4. Again by Stephen's law of radiation, Q by T is A E sigma T raised to 4. So 300 upon 60 is 50 into 10 raised to minus 4 into E 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8. Temperature is 1000 raised to 4. 60 into 5 is 300. 5 into 10. So 1 equals to 10 into 10 raised to minus 12 into E into 5.67 10 raised to 12. This will get cancelled. Yeah. Hello?
Yes, sir.
E will be 10 into 5.67. That means roughly 56.7. So I can write 100 upon 56.7 into 10 raised to minus. That means nearly 0.02. 0.018 is close to this. The answer is B.
Okay, sir.
That's all for today. Please revise and keep everything perfectly. Sunday I will give MCQ test of KTG and radiation.
Okay, sir.
Easy topic. Monday also
Done, sir.
we will keep on doing this sum till we complete entire MCQ. Then 28th, 29th are 2 days. Sunday and Monday is holy. So I will give you holiday. 1st April onwards, we will start with 12th standard. By that time, I think everybody will complete their 11th standard syllabus. Exams?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अगर चाहिए तो मैं 2 दिन छुट्टी दे दूंगा. Otherwise, एक just start करके फिर 2 दिन का छुट्टी देता हूं. So let us see next week how that plan suits us. So that's all for today.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Before April 1, I will not start 12th. I will keep on doing revision. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.